can see my sister in the window. I'm going to be cutting...
Oh, good, you got the water?
Yeah, I got my comb. I'm going to be cutting my own bangs today. I'm going to try, hopefully. I'm going to do a little bit.
Okay. So what I need you to do is spray down your bangs.
Spray my bangs down.
Get everything wet up there.
These are all my bangs. Holy...
Okay, and you brought a hair elastic. Can Mommy sort your bangs?
Yes, you can sort whatever. I don't know. They're like tilted.
It's hard doing it from this side.
Hello.
This is not a bang.
That is not a bang. What? Oh my gosh, all this is... Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Look at how far down it is on my face. They used to be here, you guys.
Okay, don't move.
Oh my god. We're doing it outside.
Hang on.
So I have
Look
some
at me for 1 sec.
brightness
That's easier.
to do it in.
Okay, back.
Hello, everyone that's joining. My sister.
Okay, can we spray? Because it's not...
Bar, that's cold.
Hi, everybody. We're outside because it's nice enough to get out here.
Whoa.
And so the first thing I'm doing is just scoring her hair to the front.
I'm so nervous. If I trim it like angled though.
Then good thing we're staying home for a few weeks. Can you look up for 1 sec? There we go. That's better. So basically we're just taking a straight line from, I do in front of the ear to in front of the ear, spray it down so we got some good, hang on, this needs to be a little straighter.
And then we're gonna put
A ponytail in the rest so she doesn't
ponytail.
cut the rest of her hair off.
Yes, so I don't cut
Could you imagine?
anything else off, just my
We
bangs.
would cry.
Oh my gosh, this is looking so good, even because like it's just my bangs. It looks really cool with like the ponytail already, even though I haven't cut anything. Can't really see it in camera, but it's like really cool here. Not like
Okay, give me your...
That is so cute!
And you want to cut it?
So
Okay,
cute.
so... There.
Should
So now, what I think you should do is
I
everyone...
should go like that.
I think you should get some hearts. Okay, wait, stop. So what I think you should do is
my
we
nose
could
is
go
itchy.
shorter here and then longer.
Yeah, I kind of want to
Okay.
do longer on the edges.
So I highly recommend when you cut your bangs, if you're doing your own, to not cut too short if they're wet because they do bounce back up. And I'm not a hairdresser, so please only take my tips as just tips, not anything crazy.
not anything.
You have
big.
17 people, Tyla.
What?
Okay, stop.
Oh my
So,
God.
doing it yourself, you're basically
Scared, you guys.
look in the mirror, not at them.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm looking in the mirror.
You're gonna want to go like this and find the length that you want, and then you're gonna grab, and then you'll cut underneath your finger.
Underneath my fingers.
Okay.
Okay.
So I would start in the middle. So grab. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait. That's not.
I gotta grab with my left hand.
Yeah, you have to grab tight too. Okay, ready? Grab above the... Whoa. No, you can't cut like that. Try this again.
It's a big chunk of hair. I can't.
Just use your fingers like that so you hold it straight. There you go. Okay, now
my
go
Down
pull your
lower.
fingers down a little lower. Pull your fingers down. Right under your fingers. Cut. Go for it, girl. Oh my God. Okay, let go.
Okay.
How'd you do?
It's kind of crooked, but that's okay.
Yay! She did it herself. Okay, should we try more?
I can fix it up.
Okay, so now
Oh my gosh.
what you need to do is take some of the cut hair and some of the long hair so you can cut the rest of it the same length.
Oh. Okay.
So now you're going to put your fingers over top of... No, just fingers. There you go. And now you want to match up the rest of that to the hair that you've already cut. How'd you do? How'd she do, everybody?
It's kind of crooked, but I kind of like it.
Hey, you know what? It's honestly not too crooked. It's a little tiny crooked, if you can see. It's a little bit.
Yeah,
but not bad.
a little bit, but we can always fix it.
All right. Are we cutting a little bit on the sides? Or do you want Mommy to?
I kind of like it like this.
Do you want me to trim it at least?
Oh my gosh, that went right.
I can trim it.
Can you trim like that much off?
Yeah. Okay. Don't move.
Like it's dead.
Do you want your bangs shorter? Do you want Mommy to cut them a little shorter?
Yeah, maybe around like there.
Do you want to try? Because you're doing really good.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it again. So now that you know, okay, you know what? I did pretty good. So now go above Mommy. Yep. And now you want to cut them right about there.
Right about there?
Yep.
Oh
Oh
gosh.
gosh. How do we do?
I think that's good.
Okay.
So
wet. Now, because they're wet and they'll jump up a little bit. Mm-hmm. So now we're going to just, remember, we're going to just kind of, so now if you, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so now a trick, when you're cutting the sides, you can cut angled. So you angle your finger. So now you'd cut like this.
Can you cut that for me?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you did it so cute.
She did so good. I didn't even have to help.
That's wet.
All right.
Oh, that's cold.
There's hair on the floor. I'm like, what is that? A jumbo spider?
Oh my God, Gabby.
Okay.
It's your hair.
Yeah, my hair. Because I'm cutting hair.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Is
Are
it
you
tilted?
really?
Oh,
Ready?
yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, that got on my arm.
Okay.
It's getting on me.
So
I gotta stand back here.
I gotta cut the other side. Yeah, because you're standing in the hair now.
Yeah.
All right. We had 17 people to start. Wasn't that wicked? Okay. Oh, that's a really small one. I think she did pretty good. I don't know if I have to do too much more on the front. Oh, we can match up that side. Can you just look at me for 1 second?
Oh, Tyler, you're getting hearts. Thank you. Oh my God.
There.
It scared me so bad, you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna spray this side. We're outside, you guys. It's a little chilly because Tyla didn't decide to put a jacket on. All right. So the only thing with this, I need to see your face. Because I did an angled, sorry.
You sounded, you know that meme where the baby's covered in peanut butter? It's like, you sounded just like that.
How did we do? Let's see. Look at Mommy. We did some fun. The nice thing is she's got, there's more hair on that side, but that's okay.
That's going to get longer.
But she cut her own bangs, so I'm not going to even trim them up. So the cool thing that you can do now, I'm just going to show one more time. Spray.
Oh my God.
Okay, and so now what you can do is cut upwards just to make it so it's not like straight across. Okay, Tyla, just look at Mommy for 1 sec. We're going to bring it down, and then we're just going to cut. I think it scores it a bit too, so it's not totally.
How are you doing it with your eyes open? You're crazy.
How's that?
Good. Ay!
Good? Okay, what do you guys think? How did she do cutting her own bangs?
You look so
Okay, so
cute.
now-
Don't part them.
No, put them back down.
Put them back.
Oh, do you want them shorter?
No. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, because it kind of covers
Gabby?
my eyes and I can't really see it.
Okay. Oh, you do want them shorter?
A little bit because I can't really see
Okay.
it
Yeah,
right
and then
now.
she'll just part them and they won't be useful.
Yeah.
So,
I did that last time.
She did that last time. They were too long and then she parted them.
finger above mummy's. Go a little bit down. Right there. You're going to cut right there.
All of that?
You always go a little bit shorter so you don't cut too short. Watch your hair, not anything else. Good girl. How did you do?
That's so cute, Tyla. Oh my gosh.
There's so much
Is that
hair.
better or do you want it a little shorter?
Maybe a little, like that much. Like,
There's still...
well, it will bounce up.
No, that's kind of...
Yeah, because your hair's not wet. Like, you didn't get out the shower wet.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Tickles my eyes, you guys.
Scissors?
Around there.
Sure.
I can't see. Can you move those, guys?
Hang on, let go.
They like didn't come in the batch and now they're covering my eyes.
Above mummy's fingers.
This way.
There you go. There you go. See, if you just go a little bit at a time, then you can't really do too much damage. How's she doing, everyone? Give us some love.
I think those guys are better.
Okay, look at me. Okay, I have to fix this one side a little bit.
Angled.
There's a mosquito! Get it! Here, look at me.
Oh.
Okay, don't look down. There you go.
It's by your bum. Get away.
Stop, Davy,
It's on
please.
you.
Mommy
This is a really bad angle.
Mommy is cutting hair. Please do not.
And I said you're a
How's that?
pretty girl. You're getting lots of luck.
Well, they're just
You
just
look
hair.
so cute.
How do we do?
I like
How's
your
she look,
shoulder.
everybody?
You look so cute. They suit you so well.
I used to have bangs when I was little, but now, like,
They're so cute.
Let's see. Oh, they look so cute on you,
I can
Tyla.
see it. Like, it's really cute.
Is that short enough? I think so, hey?
That's really cute.
Okay, so we're just going to shake this off. Good thing we're outside.
You guys should see how much hair.
Well, I'll take the camera if you want to stay on the floor.
Okay, everybody. How do you turn this around?
Press the little,
Oh,
no,
right.
there's a circle turnaround button
Yeah.
at the bottom.
Look.
Don't pick it up.
It's my hair. It is literally my hair.
Never seen hair before. All right.
You look so cute, Tyla.
I really like it.
I know. I just got out of the shower too.
It's really cute. I'm so excited.
Okay.
Bye.